Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, today's video is another open invite collab, and the name of it is Diamonds and Pearls DIY, and it is being hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing it, okay? And I am her co-host. Guys, forgive me, I'm looking down at my notes because I need to make sure that I give y'all all the information. Okay, so I will put our links down in the description box, so make sure you look down there for that. And now what Tammy does is that she does home decors, DIYs, shop with me, clean and decorate with me videos, and a variety of other things as well. And I encourage you to go over and see all of these wonderful things that she does that I'm talking about. Okay, now let me tell you about the details and the rules. Now for the details, we're asking that you use diamond rhinestones. Now, we're not talking about the diamond bling wrap, even though that's beautiful too, but we're doing it a little different, and we want you to use the diamond rhinestones, okay, and pearls, okay. So even if you're not a DIYer and you still want to jump in on this collab, you can do that as well, because we want everyone to participate. So you can purchase something, it doesn't have to be expensive, that has diamonds and pearls on it, okay, and you can showcase that as well, okay. Now for the rules, number one, you must be subscribed to all of the host channel. Number two, you must mention all the hosts in your video and link their channel and the playlist link in your description box. Number three, you are to use the hashtag Diamonds and Pearls 2020. Number four, title your video Diamonds and Pearls. Number five, the upload date is January 24th at 8:30 a.m. and that will be Eastern Standard Time. Number six, add your video to the playlist link. And number seven, we're just asking that you have sparkly, bright, and shiny fun. Okay? Now, if you do plan on participating in this collab, just leave me the word diamonds and pearls down in the comment section, and that way I'll know that you are planning on participating. So guys, and I hope to see everyone on January 24th. Until then, guys, I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Okay? So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.